Good morning, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gabriela and today we are going to be making Nutella and fruit waffles inspired by Magic Kingdom's Sleepy Hollow. So this recipe has actually been requested by Mouse and Mermaid, which are her favorite. And I have tried this myself and they are amazing. They are so delicious. So I am going to be showing you the process and then the final outcomes out of this. Now, if you want to go ahead and comment down below what other recipe you would like me to make, please, I will be more than happy to. So for our ingredients, we will be using Aunt Jemima's complete pancake mix. Next, we have our corn oil since we will be making waffles today. Next, for toppings, we have strawberries, blueberries, and of course, Nutella. So I purchased for this video a mini waffle maker, so I will be testing this out and seeing if it really works. I will be placing down below the link so you can check it out. Now please, if you like the video, make sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more. Enjoy! How amazing this looks. I know. I am very excited to try this. Like always, right? Chris should be coming soon. He's in a meeting right now, but he's dying to try this as well. So I'm gonna take the first bite and then I'm gonna see his reaction when he tries this as well. This was my first time making waffles, so okay, so cheers. They're amazing. Okay, so they're crunchy, they're fluffy, fresh because of the fruits, just the right hint of Nutella. It is truly amazing. It tastes just like the ones in the park. I can honestly recommend this to make it at home because it is just as easy. It only took around 10 minutes to make this, and a waffle maker that only costs 10 bucks, man. Here.
Es que no le gusta la Nutella.
So I'm making another waffle for Chris because unfortunately he does not like Nutella. Come on. Was this really necessary?
Yeah, to cut the waffle. I like waffles. Very good.
Really good?
Yeah. I'm gonna take this now.
Well, thank you so much for watching. I am going to be finishing this. Have a good day.